how to find Little Caesars app safety on Google Play. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So do you want to know the privacy policy of Little Caesars on Google Play? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. You need to open up any browser and head over to Little Caesars website. Then you can scroll down to the bottom and then you can see get it on Google Play option. Just tap on it and a new page will open up. Now you'll need to scroll down and here you can see data safety option. You can just tap on the arrow and it will open up and you can see all the details here of the data safety. And if you want to learn more, you can tap on learn more here and then you will see the detailed information right here. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.